So we're on his way to work, and Adam's a little bit upset after his little Tinder affair last time. Tell him what she said to you, Adam. Come on. Fine. So what was your opening line on Tinder?
Hey Joe, how's it going?
And what was she saying?
Fine.
Oh, this is Jenny. Jenny, say hi.
Hi.
How old are you, Jenny?
24.
Too young for me.
But you keep sniffing around, don't you? Right, so we're back on this cemetery job. There's my cowling under there, look, you can see that. So what I'm going to do now, I've felt round it and I've marked a ring round it, and which is really uncomfortable for me, but I'm now going to cut a massive hole in this rubber. So I marked a ring round it. I'm going to use this Stanley knife to cut it. What I don't want to do is go through and catch the cowling, so I'm just going to put that in there like that. There we go. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to cut myself a little ring out so I can see where I'm going. But I guess the idea with this is I want to try and cut it neatly all the way around and not stop like I've done there. Can you see that, Adam? Not stop like I've done there for fear of it ripping, which is pretty strong, like it's not going to rip, but it's just a little worry that I'm having to cut this out, and even though I don't really want to. It's one of them things, though, isn't it? Like I said yesterday, it's completely new to us. Putting one of these chimneys on here. What I didn't include yesterday and all, the Hetas guy says the kit that this has got, the flue and everything, it's only the third in the country. So there's a lot of people interested in it and seeing if it's going to work. So I bring up our guy who does the rubber. He's told me that's what I need to do now. So you can see there, I've gone around there, it's pretty good, I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do now is roll back the rubber and glue it down the way I normally do, and then the guy who's going to finish the flashing for me, he's then going to come and bond the strip around there, so that's all bonded, and it then becomes one piece, that, the strip and that, and then there's a little flashing goes around there as well. So that's the rubber going on. A little bit uncomfortable doing it, but there you go. Right, I'm done it.
Not as uncomfortable as me on this wall.
Right, just sort of. Not as uncomfortable as Adam on this wall, he says. So.
Trying to film and balance on this wall.
Cameraman duties, Adam. So there you go. I've obviously fixed the rubber down in the normal way. I cut my hole, rolled it out, glued around it, and bonded it, and it feels like it's actually bonded to the stainless steel plate there as well. So that's quite. I mean, I'm more than happy with that. It's relatively flat and smooth. Obviously them nails were good for what I used them for the purpose, because they had a little flat head on them. So like I say now, my mate will come round now and he'll bond round there and put a new flashing all the way around there, and then there's a cowling that goes over the top of the chimney as well. So that's as far as I can go with it. What I'm going to do now is, obviously that's not watertight there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some visqueen back over the roof, fix it to the sides until Chris gets here and he can bond that on properly, and then we'll get as spacious and soft it's done. We've done the roof, we've put the visqueen over now to protect it, and he's supplied this as well, which is for the vapour barrier, which we taped round. That's the hole for the flue there. Now what they're going to do, they're going to put a moisture barrier over all this. They'll stop the moisture barrier around there. Fireboard, and then that'll be ready for him to come and finish. So that's it for this job. If you'd like to keep watching, you'll see it get fit, and we're also going to put composite cladding on this one as well. Thank you.
Smells like my old place of work.